Okay, Islamic landmarks for 300.
Yeah.
The Ummayad Masjid, known as the oldest and largest in the world, is located in this city.
I pass this question.
Okay, you want to take a guess? Because I know you can do it.
I want to give my points. I will pass it.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
We'll go to Darussalam. Abdul Latif.
I would say yes, it is located in the city.
Okay, which city is it located?
In Cairo. Here.
In Cairo.
Cairo.
Unfortunately, that is not the correct answer, but that's a very good guess.
Damascus?
Very good. What is
Damascus.
Damascus? It has the oldest masjid from the time of the Umayyad. Very good.